If you're a lawyer struggling to get more clients, chances are you're making some serious marketing mistakes that are costing you thousands, if not millions, of dollars every year. The legal industry is one of the most competitive when it comes to marketing, and simply having a website or running ads isn't enough anymore. You need a well-structured, data-driven marketing strategy that actually converts leads into paying clients. In today's video, I'm going to break down the biggest marketing mistakes law firms make and, more importantly, how to fix them. These aren't just those small errors, they're the reason your marketing isn't working. We've worked with hundreds of law firms to optimize their digital marketing strategies, and we've seen firsthand what works and, more importantly, what doesn't work. So whether you're a solo attorney or running a multi-lawyer firm, this video is going to help you avoid costly mistakes and take your marketing to that next level. If you're constantly wondering why your ads aren't converting, why your website isn't generating leads, or why your competitors are outranking you on Google, this video will provide those answers to those questions. Even if you've had success in the past, marketing is evolving fast, and what worked a few years ago may be completely outdated now. The worst thing you can do is ignore these changes and assume that just because you're a good lawyer, clients will automatically come to you. The reality is, law firm marketing requires strategy, consistency, and optimization. If you're making these mistakes, you're handing clients to your competitors on a silver platter. So mistake number one is ignoring SEO and local search. Let's start with one of the biggest missed opportunities for law firms: SEO and local search. Over 70% of people looking for legal services start their search online. If your law firm isn't ranking on Google for local searches, you're losing high intent leads to your competitors. One of the most overlooked aspects of SEO for law firms is Google Business Profile optimization. Your Google Business Profile is what shows up in Google search results when someone looks for a law firm in your area. It includes your law firm's name, phone number, website, address, reviews, and even photos of your office. If you're not actively maintaining and optimizing your GBP, you're missing out on a massive amount of free traffic. To optimize your Google Business Profile, make sure you filled out every detail completely. That includes your business hours, the exact services you provide, and your office location. You should also upload real, high-quality images of your office and team, because profiles with images get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more website clicks than those without them. Reviews also play a huge role in local SEO. Law firms that consistently receive positive Google reviews rank higher in search results, which means more visibility and more leads. But here's what most law firms get wrong: they don't ask for reviews. If you're not actively asking satisfied clients to leave a review, you're missing out on an easy way to boost your credibility and rankings. Another major SEO mistake is not optimizing your website for local search terms. So, for example, if you're a personal injury attorney in Dallas, your homepage should clearly state that you're a Dallas personal injury lawyer. That exact phrase should be in your website's title tag, meta description, and headings. Too many law firms use generic terms like experienced lawyer or legal services without specifying their practice areas and location. This makes it harder for Google to rank your website for relevant searches. One of the most common mistakes we see law firms make is throwing money at Facebook or Google ads without using a clear strategy. Many firms think that simply running ads will get them more clients, but without the proper targeting, copywriting, and landing pages, ads can burn through your budget without generating a single lead, and even worse, a single case. A major problem is that law firms don't use the right ad targeting settings. On Facebook, for example, some firms try to target everyone in their city, but this is a waste of money. Instead, you should be targeting people who have engaged with legal content, searched for lawyers recently, or visited your website. Another issue is not using negative keywords on Google Ads. Negative keywords are words you exclude from your campaign to prevent your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches. For example, if you're running a personal injury campaign, you don't want your ads showing up for searches like lawyer jobs, or another one is free legal advice, or pro bono attorney. Adding negative keywords ensures you're only paying for high intent clicks from potential clients. Furthermore, many law firms also fail to track their ad performance properly. If you're not tracking exactly how many leads and cases you're getting from your ads, you won't know if your campaigns are profitable. Every law firm should have conversion tracking set up. This includes tracking phone calls, form submissions, and chat interactions on your website. Without this data, you're just guessing whether your ads are working. Your law firm's website is your most important digital asset. But if it's outdated, slow, or difficult to navigate, potential clients will leave before they even contact you. Studies show that if your website takes longer than 3 seconds to load, you lose nearly 40% of your visitors. A common mistake is not having a clear call to action as well. Your website should make it crystal clear what a visitor should do next. Whether it's calling your office, filling out a consultation form, or using a live chat feature, the CTA should be obvious on every single page. Another huge issue is not responding to leads fast enough. When someone fills out a contact form or calls your office, you need to respond immediately. Speed is everything when it comes to lead conversion. Most law firms don't realize that 98% of people who visit your website won't contact you on their first visit. That means if you're not running retargeting ads, you're missing out on potential clients who were interested but didn't take action the first time. Retargeting ads work by showing ads specifically to people who have already visited your website or engaged with your content. These ads can appear on Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and even other websites. So, for example, let's say someone visits your website and clicks on your car accident lawyer page, but doesn't fill out a contact form. With retargeting, you can show them a follow-up ad later that says, "Injured in an accident? Don't wait, get a free case review today." This keeps your firm top of mind and increases the chances of converting that lead into a client. Now, many law firms believe that referrals and word-of-mouth marketing are enough to sustain their business. While referrals are great, they're not predictable and they're not scalable. If your entire firm relies on referrals, you're at the mercy of past clients remembering to recommend you or other attorneys sending cases your way. This creates inconsistent revenue cycles where some months you might have plenty of cases and others you're struggling to get new clients. A better approach is to combine referral marketing with a strong online presence. You should be actively investing in SEO, paid ads, social media marketing to generate leads consistently. Now, video content is one of the most powerful marketing tools in 2025, but most law firms aren't using it at all. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are dominating social media, and short-form video content is one of the best ways to build brand awareness and attract new clients organically. Creating legal content doesn't mean you need to be a full-time YouTuber. You can start with short 30-second videos answering common legal questions. For example, what should I do after a car accident? Or how do I expunge a criminal record? What are my rights in a workplace discrimination case? These types of videos build trust and establish you as an authority in your practice area. Now that you know the biggest marketing mistakes that law firms make, it's time to fix them. If you want to grow your firm and consistently attract high-quality clients, start by optimizing your SEO, running smart ads, improving your website experience, and leveraging retargeting ads. Additionally, don't rely solely on referrals. Invest in predictable marketing channels like social media and video content. Clients today are looking for lawyers online, and if you're not showing up where they are, your competitors will. Now, if you or your law firm need help implementing these strategies, reach out to socialmediaads.com today. Our team of experts will analyze your situation and give you the best route possible to implement all these strategies and start attracting leads that turn into cases today. If you liked today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.